Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this. I'm going to say hi, my name is Gordon. This video today I'm going to show you how to get a roof estimate for your house from your PC with nobody's help. That way you have no obligation to buy anything. It's the best way for you to get a estimate of what your house should cost before you talk to a roofer. Let me shrink me down. Like I said, today we're going to use two websites. We're going to use Google Maps and then a website called freeroofquote.com. Okay, so first thing you go into Google Maps, you're going to find the house. Okay, and what you're going to do is, you can also do this on satellite view, but you see this house, you can scroll out a little bit so it's a little cleaner. It's really hard to define this. So if you go to just layers, and then you just find on the corner, pick a corner of the house, and right click and hit measure distance, okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go on the outside lines of this house, and we're going to basically box it in. Like I said, but go on the outside, click on the outside corners. Okay, so much easier that was. That's a little bit off. We can move that in a little bit, but we don't need to. Anyway, so that is our box around it. You can see it's a total boxed area because right here it says total area 3590. So that's a two-dimensional measurement of this house. Okay, like I said, you could do that in this view, but this is just so much easier. So 3590. So now we're going to go to freeroofquote.com right here, freeroofquote.com. Down here on the menu bar it says online roofing calculator. Go ahead and click on that. We'll then open up the website for the roofing calculator. So you can scroll down past a little picture of the level into this spreadsheet looking thing here. On this top bar, you're going to wipe out this 2950 here. Come on. Double click that. Wipe that out and put in, what did we say this was? 3590. Oops, this one. So we're going to type in 3590. And then you're going to leave this number 1 because we're just multiplying itself because we already have that two-dimensional measurement here, right? Two-dimensional. We need that to be three-dimensional so we can see how, what the pitch of the roof is because you got to add in that pitch. So right here it says you can have a 612 pitch, which is standard house is a 612 pitch. You can be higher. So click on that little tab right there, and you can go with flat roof, a 312 pitch, which is less roofing to cover this compared to this, how high, it's just the higher the pitch, the more roofing it's going to take to cover it. So we're going to say this is a 612 pitch. It's going to add that into the two-dimensional measurement you got off Google, and that's going to make it now three-dimensional so you can read it. Okay, so the square footage with the pitch is now 4236. So it added 7 squares basically because of the pitch of the roof. Now this could have been even steeper, a 12, and it would have added 15 squares for just the pitch to go twice as high. So basically a 612 pitches in standard house, 12 pitches like that. So let's put this back at a standard, and then it's going to add in 12% waste. So most roofing companies use 10 to 15% is going to be waste material, cutting in valleys and doing all the stuff that they do. So it says the total, it's going to convert it into squares, roofing squares here, which is a roofer's going to give you a price in squares. So it's 47.45 squares, so let's just round it up to 48 squares. And here in the next green box down here, it says what kind of roofing do you want to use, basically is what it's asking. Click on it, little drop down tab. So you have 30-year, 50-year asphalt roofing. That's more of a high wind. It's a thicker roof. Cedar shake, metal roofing, concrete slate, TPO if it's a flat roof. So let's go with 50-year roofing. So to roof this house is going to cost $28,230 if it's a 612 pitch. Okay, I'm pretty sure standard. And if you don't know how to figure out your pitch, there's directions here on how you can figure out your pitch. So that's it, guys. Now, if you want to put metal roofing on here, let's say you want metal roofing, just click on metal roofing. It'll give you what a roofing company should charge you to put on the roof and not gouge you. It should be somewhere around this number for whatever you pick here, okay? This is the most simple thing you guys can do. Hope this helps. Good luck. good hunting, good roofing. And roofing is not a do-it-yourself kind of job whatsoever. It is the most back-breaking, knee pain job around. So do not try to do a roof by yourself. If you've never done one, hire a roofer. It is not a DIY project. Anyway, guys, have a great day. Thank you.